Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to change the watch face on this device. First of all, hold your finger down on the watch face, then swipe it to the left and tap the plus icon to add a new one. Now you're gonna see different types of watch faces. You can select which one you like the most to set it up as your personal watch face. Each of them has different customization features. So for example, let's select new watch faces and then select the flow. Click add next to it. You can change the typeface here. Now if you swipe to the left, you can change the background color. The background and then the color on the following page. So customize it however you want, and once you're happy with the result, just tap the digital crown and then tap your watch face once again to apply it. And right now you can either edit it by holding it down and then selecting edit and then changing the options for your watch face, or if you want to delete it, hold it down and then swipe it up and then confirm by clicking remove. Now if you want to add a new watch face using your iPhone, first of all let me bring it in so I can show you how to do it. So if you have an iPhone around that is linked to your Apple Watch, you have to go to the app library and search for the watch application, open it, and now to add a new watch face you have to select face gallery at the bottom, and then just like we did in the Apple Watch, you have to select one of the watch face types from this list. Let's go with this with the previous option, so let's select new watch faces, and here we also have the flow option and we have different presets for it. Let's go with the first one. As you can see, you can also adjust the color here. You can change the typeface, the background, and basically everything you can do on the Apple Watch. And now once you're happy with the result, just click add to add this Apple Watch to your add this watch face to your watch faces list, and then you can just change your watch face on your Apple Watch. But as you can see, it's already applied. It has already applied to the Apple Watch. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.